Hi, what's up, Lee? Welcome to Richside Insider. Today I'm going to give you top 3 tips to get any house you want in any market. Buying a house can be really stressful, especially when your offer is rejected. You need to restart the process again, looking for a house and everything. So as a home buyer, myself as an experienced professional realtor, these 3 are the most important things that you can do to get the house you want without wasting any time and any money. So number 3, you need to know top 3 must-have in your house, in your future house. So these are really important. Whatever it is you want, is it good locations, or is it good school, or is it a bigger house, a bigger backyard, anything, but you really need to know what you really want. So these are the things that you must tell your realtor. Hey, I really want all these 3 things. If you cannot find any house with these 3 things, we're not going to look at it. If any house doesn't have these 3 things, I'm not gonna even look at that house. So you're gonna save so much time. And another thing is that you also need to have top 3 must not have. If the house has any one of those, I'm not even gonna look at that house. Not even online. So this is really important. It can be anything. Smaller master bedroom, or if the house is only 1 story, I'm not going to look at it. I want 2 story. And if the house has a very small backyard, I'm not going to look at it. I'm just giving you an example. So it can be anything. So by knowing all these 6 must-haves and must-not-haves, then that's going to save you so much time, because you can look at it online by criteria. You can tell your realtors. A great realtor is going to ask you all these top 3 must-have or top 3 must-not-haves before start looking for a house and going out to see the house. So it's going to save you so much time and money and headache. So if you don't have all these things, make sure you write it down. You start write it down right now and tell your realtor. It's going to make their job so much easier, his job so much easier, and that's going to make your life so much easier as well. So tip number 2 is, when you go out to look at houses, look at least 7 houses in a day, in 1 day. That's very important for a number of reasons. So the main important thing is, especially in a very hot market, if you don't look at it this way, the house gonna be gone. The next day it's gonna gone. And the house gonna be off the market already, because somebody already put an offer, they agree on it. It's gonna be gone. And another thing is, you're gonna forget what you looked at before. Hey, I don't remember if this house number 1 has this items that I'm looking for. I don't remember the house. Is it the house number 5 or 7? That has this option. So if you look at 7 houses in a day, it's very easy for you to remember. But even so, you still have to write it down. The house number 1 has this, house number 2 has this, the house number 2, I don't like this, I like this, everything. A great realtor is going to help you write down all these things. Hey, what do you like about this house? After looking at the house, the tour of the house, looking at all the good points and bad points, the realtor is going to ask you, hey, what do you like most about this house? What don't you like about this house? So this is very important. For the reason is because you're not going to get a perfect house. You're not going to have all the plus points for all the house. Then after looking at all the houses, at the end of the day, you can compare. Oh, this house has the least number of minus negative points that I want. This house has so many positive points. I'm going to make an offer. And another thing is, if first day is not isn't useful, the realtor is going to know what you are really looking for. A lot of the times, buyers say they want something, but when they really see something that they have never seen before, they change their mind. It happens. Honestly, it's best for you not to change your mind. If when you start to really seriously go and see the house, go to open houses. Go to open houses before you really start going out to houses with a realtor, because that's going to save the realtor time and and your headache, your time and money a lot. So it's very important to do that, and also if you already know, you always seen 7 houses, so that means that you should be able to find 2 to 3 houses that you really like, because you only go out to see the houses after looking at the photos online. So if you don't like the photos online, if you don't really like how the criteria, let's say you are looking for a house in a good neighborhood, or if you are looking for a house with a big backyard, if the photos and the online information doesn't give you the big backyard with the big, the photos that you don't like, don't even bother going to see the houses. If it's one of your must-have, so don't bother about it. So if you are looking for only 2-story house and you see 1-story house really nice, don't even bother, because if you really want 2-story house, you're just gonna be wasting your time looking at 1-story house. So it's very important to know all these 6 must-have and must-not-have, so that now you start to understand where I'm coming from. So if you already seen 7 houses in one day, the next day just make an offer. Even the same day, it will be the best if you make an offer the same day. Make at least 3 offers. If the market is really hot, you have to make at least 5 offers. 5 offers. So it's very important. If you can see 10 houses, just go ahead and see. Make 3 to 5 offers minimum right away. Don't wait. You can always negotiate later. There is something called option period, where you can negotiate for repair. You can ask for better pricing. You can ask the seller credit. All these things. You can even ask the seller if you like the furniture in the house. You can even ask for furniture. There are so many ways to negotiate, and you just have to be creative. The realtor has to be really creative, and you also have to be really creative. Don't focus on just one thing. Don't focus on just the price. There are a lot of things that sellers gonna ready to give you. Even if the price he wants, he's really he's not gonna change. This is the price minimum I want, but he might be willing to give you a lot more furniture, everything, whatever. If you are somebody who really want a lower price, you must be willing to give a lot more in return. Hey, I'm not gonna require inspection. I'm not gonna, ask option period is gonna be only 7 days. You don't want that. Don't focus on just the price. The point that I'm trying to make is that it's very important to get the offer accepted. If your offer gets accepted, you can always negotiate later. Hopefully, I help you with this video. So I'm going to be posting more videos about real estate, all these terminology, what are the option period, everything. So you can subscribe to my channel. You can get free stocks, cryptocurrency at the end of the video, because you watch until the end. So I want to give you free stocks and free cryptos. Click the link below in the description or in the comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.